Welcome to Chicago, mga Chupapis. Wow! Kami nakatingin sa akin mga ka-chupa, akala nila artista ako. I'm not. Hindi pa. Naka-chupa, ang ganda ng building na to. Here, in the bottom. Ako mag-aalay na kantahan for today's video. Thank you.
Of course, enjoy. If you need anything else, talk to me.
Malaking Starbucks sa buong mundo. Nandito sa Chicago located. Welcome to Chicago, mga Chupapis. Is it near? How many walk?
6 minutes.
6 minutes walk? Ating tram, mga Chupa. Ang ganda rito, Bio. Hold on. I just wanna see this one. Chupa, ang ganda. Tapos ito yung tram, ito yung London House. Doon sana kami stay mga kachupa.
It's the London House.
It's near, there oh. Okay. In front of the Tramp Hotel. Chupa, ang ganda, no? Let's go! Touchdown 9:30. Tramp Hotel Big. Mukha na talaga kaming turista rito, mga kachupa. Kasi dito kami nababagay. Anong pinagsasasabi ko? Feeling ko talaga dito, I belong here. Daming ano. Ingat ka mga kachupa kasi marami rin dito mga masasamang tao.
I should have just given the car keys instead of the whole key.
Car key? Car key?
Yeah, I should just take the car key out.
Yeah.
It's too late.
It's okay.
Next time.
Mga kachupa. Ito na yung tram.
London Hotel, is that one?
Yeah.
Where did you see the name?
Upstairs. You cannot see because you're here already. Ayaw mga kachupa in town. Ayaw mga kachupa. Let's take a picture.
Finally here.
Maglalakad na lang kami habang buong araw. Maglalakad kami buong araw. Ito exercise to, hindi to date eh. I think this is exercise, not the date.
The two things at once.
Baka chupa, parang feeling ko nasa Makati lang ako. Talagang pwedeng makipagsabayan, no? Huwag niyo lang akong i-Englishin kasi baka mamaya iba masabi ko. Where? Straight?
Straight.
Oh.
Starbucks near them.
Ayun, mga kachupa, yung Aldi Chicago Pemperwood. Naku, day. Ang higpit siguro dito, no?
Oh, you know what? I didn't even look at the name of the hotel that we parked in. What was it? When we go back to Starbucks, we'll walk back that way and I'll look at it.
It's a Renaissance.
What's that?
Renaissance.
So that we can find our way back.
Yeah, and it's near in the Trump Hotel. It's red. It's near Canada. Meron silang train dito mga kachupa, and then meron din silang subway sa baba. Yung bababang hagdan, may subway doon.
Well, I guess we don't have to walk back. We just have to remember it's near the temple.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Nandun sila Panda Express, oh. Where am I going? Yeah, mga kachupa, ito yung papuntang subway. And then, dito na kami. So, we're gonna go to Starbucks now.
Mm-hmm.
Ang dami tao naglalakad. There's a lot of people walking.
Mm-hmm. If you want it, well, you have it.
This one?
That one.
Ah. Baby, are you sure? It is. So, nandun kami kanina. And then, now, nandito na kami. Nakakachupa, meron silang mga ano rito. Kalapate. Tapos, nandito na kami sa Starbucks. Pero hindi ko alam kung ito yung pinakamalaking Starbucks.
Milestone Starbucks. Okay, that one is 15-minute walk.
Okay.
So let's go for that one then.
How many minutes? 15. Mag-walking trip talaga kami dito, guys. Wow. So amazing. We don't have like this in Makati.
Buildings are not this big.
Yeah. It's so big. What is this? That one.
Business building. Public
Cool.
business.
It's so big, mga kachupa. Tapos ito rin, oh, cute view. Look at that. Wow. Missouri? Are we in Missouri?
I don't know why it says that.
Nakakashopa ko. Very beautiful here in Chicago. Kailangan mo lang mag-ingat.
Take a picture there.
Nandito na kami.
I don't see any Starbucks in the store.
Ayun o. Yeah. Bam, bam. Yeah. Starbucks.
Oh, it's really well. Can't see it from the outside.
Yes, nandito na kami sa Starbucks. Ito pala yung palatandaan, ano?
Hello.
Thank you.
George?
What you want?
Hold on. I want some.
Here's the same stuff too. Lemon loaf. I think I'm gonna get the lemon loaf.
No, we're just gonna share it with you.
Oh, you should get one.
I'll share with you.
Banana, walnut, and pecan loaf. I'm gonna get that one too. So we have two.
Where? Banana walnut? I'm just gonna share with you then.
No, just get her. Just get your order. It's fine.
I don't know what I'm gonna get. No, Chupa, we go to the wrong Starbucks.
I'll find the right one. Now,
Kain muna tayong breakfast kasi medyo nababad trip na rin ako. Nababad trip na rin ako. Pakain tayo ng mocha. And then banana bread. And then what is it? Lemon? Mga tao dito mga busy sa mga trabaho. Kasi ang daming tao rito mga kachupa. Hindi ko makakakita ng gantong tao sa Wisconsin. What is this? Harshada? Ano naman sa asawa ko? Harshada. Why it tastes like that? Put some straw and mix it. Okay. Matapang. So strong. This is the one.
you got the right one? We'll find it later.
That's like a hard thing.
Mga kachupa, mali yung napuntahan namin. Sorry.
You want the mall?
Yeah.
You know the name of the mall?
Naiwan kasi namin yung itinerary namin.
Oh, you mean part of the Magnificent Mile?
Yeah, Magnificent Mile.
Okay, when you say milestone, that's probably why. Let's go to the Magnificent Mile then.
Is it how many
It's
hours?
over here. So we are...
Nakikita na yung bra ko.
here.
Wala nang maipakita, bra na lang talaga. Magnificent Mile pala yung pupuntahan namin. And then when you go outside the Magnificent Mile, there's a mall there, right? Yun yung talaga yung pinunta ko, yung mall.
Magnificent Mile. That's why it's important that we have the itinerary, but now we just have to look at the Google map. It's a 30-minute walk. Walk for 30 minutes.
10:30 na mga kachupa. Ito pala yung napupuntahan namin. Dami namin pupuntahan mga kachupa. Isang araw lang naman to mga kachupa. Kaya okay lang.
You ready?
Lubos-lubosin na natin. Let's go! Walking ulit. 30 minutes to go there. Medyo mainit na mga kachupa pero malapit kami sa Starbucks. Magnificent Starbucks. May nagdidelay. Ang haling tapat nagdidelay. Oh, diba? Galing no? Kachupa. And then ito yung Chicago River. Tama. Ito yung Chicago River nila mga kachupa. Oh. Malinis. Very clean. Diba?
6 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Ito na tayo makachopa. Let's walk! This one is very, a little bit cool. Are we gonna go ride the boat? Wow, It's so clean. They have fish. Kasi po, malinis yung ilog nila rito. May mga fish. Walang basura. Yeah, there's no garbage. Oh, you want? I'm gonna drink more.
More?
You still have a lot. Ganda ng river na nakasip ko. Wow. Look at that. Diba? Andito kami ngayon mga kachupa sa river, Chicago River. Nag-walk muna kami dito. And then after this, we're gonna go to
whatever comes up next. We don't have that time. Whatever comes up next on the map.
lakas ng amats naming dalawa, no? Very lakas ng amats. Pero ang ganda ng ilog dito. Do you think we can swim there? Because it's nice and clean.
Anybody swimming in there? It looks like it,
Mga kachopa, ang ganda dito ng Pambayan. Very nice. Feeling ko I think we're not gonna do the boat anymore. I like to go to the boat when it's a little bit darker. Darker. So it's a little darker. So I see some lights from the.
Wait till later. They run all the way till 11 o'clock.
Kasi puro lakad pala kami for today's video. So ayun siya. Very beautiful and very clean. Actually, parang siyang parang siyang Boracay sa atin. Tsaka dami nakatambay dito sa sa mga hagdanan. Kasi nga maganda, malilim, ma-fresh. Basta ka. Mare-refresh yung utak mo pagka pumunta ka rito. Huwag ka lang kakausap ng mga hindi mo kilala, baka mamaya ma-scam ka. Yun lang. Pero mga kachupa, parang yung ilog nila may kulay. Totoo. Oh, walang edit yun mga kachupa. Sa tingin nyo. Ang linis. Obi, the river is clean. Unlike the other other river, it's not clean. Mga kachupa. This man-made? You sure? Are you sure? Hindi ko man-made daw ito mga kachupa. I think it was natural.
No, it's not. Look, they built cities around it, so it's man-made. It's all man-made.
You sure? Ay, may garbage, babe. I thought there's no garbage, but I saw garbage. Ayan, babe, oh. I like that, oh. Gusto ko pumunta ng ganyan. Babe, we should do that, oh. Dapat doon kami mag-i-stay sa what's that called? London House Hotel. Kaya lang wala nang full book na sila. So hindi na kami nakapag-book. Ayan. Tapos ito yung view niya. Maganda sa mga kachupa. Kaya fully book talaga yung hotel na yan. Mag-vlog muna tayo. Kasi sayang naman yung pinunta natin dito kung hindi tayo mag-vlog. Kaya dapat i-share din natin yung mga kaganapan natin sa buhay dito. Dami nakatingin sa akin mga kachupa. Akala nila artista ako. I'm not. Hindi pa. So we're gonna go up now?
Just keep going over there.
Tama na ba? I'm overdose?
You overdose already?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go up on the next one.
Ay, Bio. Good to picture here. Pero, kasi pa, oh. Ganda dito mag-picture. Meron ba isa doon, no? Let's go! Ako, Chupa, ang ganda ng building na to.
Well, these are still...
What is that? Is that a hotel?
Actually, I think maybe out there is living space. Parking is just here.
Yeah.
So, park all the way out there. That's
Let's
high.
go. Mga ka-Chupa, parking siya. And then yung sa pinakataas, siguro hotel na. No? I think upstairs is the hotel. So beautiful. It's kind of like a flower. So, let's go! Malapit na kami, mga ka-Chupa. Nandito na kami sa The Magnificent Mile Street. So, yung pa ganyan, magnificent na malapit na kami sa Starbucks. Yung building. Mga ka-Chupa, nandito na kami sa Magnificent Street. And meron kami nakitang coach dito. Tingnan natin yung coach. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga meron doon. So beautiful. Ito mga ka-Chupa yung building, oh. Maganda rin ang mga bag nila rito.
Remember when we went to that one place and we were looking at the shoes and the girl said 20,000. The other one was 30,000.
20,000, yeah. How much? I think there's a price inside.
I can't read it.
350.
Yes, 250. $250. See? Let's see this one.
This one is beautiful. I like this one. I think it's the same thing. It's the same
very
size.
Close, yeah.
350.
You can buy 2 pairs of shoes with that already. It's nice though.
Okay, let's go. Mga ka-Chupa, medyo mahal yung bag. Kaya hindi tayo bibili, hindi natin afford. So, dala muna tayo mga ka-Chupa. Ang ganda ng building, oh, mga ka-Chupa. Meron silang structure sa building. Continental. It's crazy. Parang nasa BGC lang kami, no, mga ka-Chupa. BGC lang. No, foreigner ang peg. Ang ganda na itong ano, building na to. Michael Jordan. Init. Mga ka-Chupa, meron sila exercise bike. That's cool, no? It's a real bike, right? Are you sure it's allowed? That's cool. Nice, that's cool. Now what's that? Music? Oh. Electricity? For what?
You know, pump electricity into the city.
Oh, that's cool. Look at
You get exercise and you make power.
They have a no, what's this called? Arcades. It's real?
Yeah.
It is real. It's cool. Rich. They are rich. Mga ka-Chupa, oh. Finally, we're here, Starbucks. Yay! Hello, there's a lot of people, B. Wow.
This is big.
Look. Is that a coffee maker?
Coffee beans.
That's crazy. Ang ganda. Let's look here. Kapi gawaan ng mga kape, mga kachupo. It's cool, ha? Dito kami sa Starbucks, sa pinakamalaking Starbucks. Maybe can you buy me mug? So I have a what's that called? Remembrance here. Ganda na ito.
Refrigerator magnet.
$19. Also, hanap tayo ng refrigerator magnet. They have a donut, they have croissant, they have... What's that?
I think this is a pin set.
Yeah. Why it's a lot of mugs? Ganda ng mga mug na makachupo. $20.
Another one.
That's cool. What's that color?
This is gunmetal.
Huh?
Gunmetal.
Gunmetal? That's cool.
Take another one then.
Okay. Mga sofa, ang ganda rito.
See if we can find some magnets.
I don't know. Meron silang jacket. Alam, kitang jacket to. Hello. Can you ask her? Can you ask her what's that?
Oh, this is
this is magnet.
Yeah.
That's all?
But these are not Starbucks. These are just...
This is the Starbucks.
These are grocery.
They are mermaid, right? Remember that? Gusto ko na ito. How much is this, babe? Let me check. 24.
$25. So $24.99.
Ang ganda. Ayan. That's it? That's all they have. Oh, they can go upstairs. Go. They have upstairs. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna check upstairs. Here, let's go. Nakachupa ganyan siya, oh. Dito tayo para medyo maganda-ganda naman yung kuha natin. Ah, they have second floor. That's crazy. Wow. So big. Wanna buy? I'm so cool. Tingnan niyo yung bathroom dito, ah. Toilet, and then this one is water, and then this one dry. Oh! Galing, no? Meron din dito. Ganda ng bathroom dito, no? Yayamanin. Ayos muna tayo. Nakalimutan kayo suklay nandun sa asawa ko. Tatanggalin ko na nga yung aking sombrero kasi parang mas mainit lalo pagka may sombrero. Ano yun ko? Pupusod ko lang tong aking hair. Para maganda tayo. Andito pa rin kami sa Starbucks. Magnificent Starbucks. Bango naman ng brush nila, oh. Ayan. Messy muna tayo ngayon, mga kachoka.
Ready?
You like my hair?
It's good, eh?
Okay ba, mga kachoka? Maybe I'm thirsty. I'm gonna drink. Go in the dryer. In the side way.
Oh, I see.
Here, in the bottom. Yeah. It's crazy, huh? Bago nga yan. Mga kasi pa mag-aalay nakakanta for today's video. Dahil pinorder namin yung car namin, hindi namin alam kung ano lang next na pupuntahan namin dito. Kanya-kanya muna tayo, ha? Nandito na kami mga kachupa sa terrace na yeah, it's hot. Pero ang ganda mga kachupa. Meron silang flowers. Meron silang ganto. Ayan. Ayan. Medyo mainit mga kachupa. Parang nagiging negra na ako, no? Ang ganda siya nila rito mga kachupa, oh. Metal. For aesthetic. Very aesthetic mga kachupa. Let's go. So hot. I thought it was a big, but it was small. I thought it was a big, but it was small. Look. Nice. Yeah. Is that free? Or try that one. That one. I think it was free. Try that one, please. Yeah. Try a little bit one. So.
Are you guys giving out samples?
Right here for you, my friend.
Thank you.
Of course, enjoy. If you need anything else, talk to me.
It's cool. It's an iced coffee.
Oh, I think it's alcoholic. Can you taste it?
Hello, if you drink this one and they are so drunk, walking.
This little bit is not going to be enough.
It tastes good, huh?
It's alright.
Ano siya? Parang siyang alcohol, wakachopa.
It's got some chocolate in there.
Ay, babe, look at their cake. So nice.
Mousse cake. Matcha strawberry, matcha butterfly. Natin tong Starbucks nila. Pinakamalaking Starbucks nila rito. Yeah. What's this called? It's kind of like a croissant, isn't it? Wow. I got elevator. Ano yung elevator, oh? Makashow pa. Ay, very yummy. I wanna see. It's so crazy. Again, move it again, move it again. Ito yung pinakamalaking Starbucks sa buong mundo. Nandito sa Chicago located. Sana dito yung friend ko, no, si Jamina. Si Jamina kasi mga kachupa. Favorite niya yung Starbucks. Ay, ang cute. Cute mga kachupa, oh. Biya, ano, find some magnet. Maybe they have magnet. I don't want it anymore. Tastes like alcohol. Pero masarap siya makachupa. Tignan natin yung mga magaganda dito. Ano, kasi minsan lang kami pumunta rito makachupa eh. Ganda. Ito lang siguro yun, no? Kala ko passport. Notebook pala. Pero maganda oh. Starbucks. $14. $50. And then, wallet. What's that? Samsung. Ang ganda.
Because they don't have any
Yeah.
magnetic
Yeah, they don't.
logo.
This,
If they have a magnetic logo, I'd buy it.
nakachupa ito maganda oh. How much is this babe? Ito siya oh. Starbucks.
You need the Starbucks logo, not this. But anybody who sees this, they don't even know what this is. You have to tell them.
Yeah.
But if you have the Starbucks logo, then they recognize it right away. Okay.
Ganda na ito oh. Oh, we don't have any souvenir here.
It's okay.
Here. Maybe they have here. I need this one. How much?
This is for getting the coffee.
I go that way, and you're like, oh.
We don't have a display. Pero ay, pinset. Wala silang ano. Dapat meron sila, no? At least they have a good magnet, no? The only... Okay na, let's go na nga.